Brightest Life will share with you a very interesting topic about natural remedies for a cough. Welcome. Before anything else, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like and notification button to keep you updated and share this video. A cough serves as an important way for you to clear things that are irritating your throat and airways. Common causes of a cough include asthma, allergies, irritation from smoke or pollutants, bacterial infections like bronchitis or sinusitis, viral infections like flu or the common cold. While a cough is a response that is beneficial to you, it can still be very annoying when it persists throughout the day. Instead of reaching for an over-the-counter pharmaceutical product to relieve that cough, you may want to consider a more natural option. This article lists some ideas. Honey. As a time-honored home remedy for a sore throat, why start with honey on a list of cough relievers? With its thick consistency, honey soothingly coats the throat. Since cough occurs as a natural reflex when your throat is irritated, by improving throat irritation, honey can help relieve your cough. Demulcent herbs. The term demulcent refers to any substance that you consume which forms a soothing film over an irritated mucous membrane. In the case of cough, it would be the mucous surfaces of the mouth and throat. There are several herbs that act in this way. Here are a few that you can try. Marshmallow root is available in various forms: tea, dried herb, capsule, and tincture. Add 1 tablespoon of shredded, not powdered, dried root to 2 cups of cold water. Let it steep overnight or for at least 4 hours in a refrigerator. Strain the tea before drinking it. Licorice root has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. For cough relief, you can try it in tea, syrups, or cough drops. Avoid licorice root if you have hypertension, as one potential side effect is high blood pressure. Slippery elm bark has been traditionally used to treat cough, diarrhea, and other gastrointestinal issues. To try slippery elm, you can add 1 teaspoon of the dried herb to 1 cup of hot water to make a tea. Allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes prior to drinking it. It is also available in powder and capsule forms. N-acetylcysteine. NAC, N-acetylcysteine, is an amino acid that acts to increase your body's production of glutathione, which is a strong antioxidant. Bromelain. Derived from the pineapple plant, bromelain is an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory activity and can work to break up the mucus that contributes to cough symptoms. Thyme. This herb, scientifically known as Thymus vulgaris, has been used for centuries as a remedy for dry cough. It contains flavonoid compounds that are anti-inflammatory. Essential oils. There are several essential oils that you can turn to when you're looking for alternatives to the typical over-the-counter pharmaceutical cough relievers, including eucalyptus oil. If you've tried conventional cough drops or vapor rubs from your local drugstore, you are likely already familiar with the effects of eucalyptus oil. It's often an ingredient in products marketed as cough suppressants. Nutmeg oil, scientifically known as Myristica fragrans, nutmeg has antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties owing in part to the camphene it contains. If inhaled, camphene has also been shown to decrease fluid in the respiratory tract. Bergamot oil. Bergamot is a citrus fruit and its essential oil is made from the rind. Camphene is a component of bergamot, so the oil has antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory qualities. Peppermint oil. Peppermint is a hybrid plant, a cross between watermint and spearmint. Cough often occurs as a protective reflex to any irritation of your airway. Essential oils can be used in a variety of ways. In their pure form, essential oils are very potent, and you will generally need to dilute them prior to use. Saltwater gargle. A simple home remedy you can try is to gargle with a mixture of salt and water. The salt water draws moisture away from the irritated area of your throat, which reduces swelling. Simply stir 1/2 teaspoon of salt into 8 ounces of water and gargle with that mixture. When to seek more help. While using a natural home remedy can put a stop to your cough, it may not do anything to treat an underlying medical condition. So it's important that you address the actual cause of your cough as well. Certainly, consult your healthcare provider if your cough is worsening, persists for several weeks, causes vocal hoarseness, or keeps you up at night. You should also seek professional advice if your cough is associated with any of the following symptoms: wheezing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, coughing up phlegm or blood, fever or headaches. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Hit the bell notification button for updates.